Hi guys! In today's video I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies. I've been making them for years and everybody seems to love them, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's get to it. If you like videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. First I'll show you the ingredients, so here we go. Preheat your oven to 350, and then for ingredients you'll want 2 sticks of unsalted butter, softened. You don't want to put them in the microwave and melt them completely. You just want it to be softened, like this. So when you squish it, it's nice and soft. And then second ingredient is 1 cup of light brown sugar. You can use dark brown sugar too, but it calls for light brown sugar. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and then 2 cups of milk chocolate chips. And I did 1 cup of chunky chocolate chips and 1 cup of regular. You could put whatever kind of chocolate chips that you want in it. Okay, so first you want to cream together the butter and the sugars. So go ahead and put your butter in. Then you want to put in both of the sugars, the brown sugar and the white sugar. And then you want to cream it until it's pale yellow and light and fluffy. So about 3 minutes, I would say. Okay, so next you want to add the eggs. And you want to just mix them in one at a time. So I'll mix this one. And I'll add the second one. And you want to add the vanilla. Alright, so next you want to put in the flour. You want to mix all the dry ingredients, so the flour, the baking soda and baking powder, and the salt. Okay. Mix that together. Okay, next you want to start incorporating the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So I'm just going to put in like 1/3 of it, and then you want to mix it. Add the rest. So I'm going to finish blending this with just one side. And yeah. Oh! The other side just broke.
What was that?
The other side just malfunctioned. It's done.
Great.
I think there's something like too much. Okay, so next you want to add the 2 cups of chocolate chips and just mix it in. You don't want to use a blender or you'll chop up the chocolate chips. Don't mind my pet snake. And just mix it in. And then you want to do about 2 tablespoons each of dough and put it on the sheet pan. So I'll show you how to do that. And I put down parchment paper. You don't have to use parchment paper, but it keeps your cookie pans in good condition. And if you want, you can sneak in a few extra chocolate chips. Alright, so that's what it looks like. And let's get it out on the tray. Okay, so next you just want to scoop out about 2 tablespoons each and then just start lining them up. And you want about 2 inches between each one. And you want to bake them for about 10 to 14 minutes. 12 minutes I think is what I do, 10 to 12 minutes, so they're nice and soft. Whoops! Whoopsie! That was a little small. That one will be fatty. It's gonna be that one. Alright. Now, just want to pop them in the oven. And then I'll see you in a minute. Alright, they're looking pretty good. Let's see if they're done. Yep, they look done. I'm going to pop them out. And there's what they look like. So we will try them in a minute. I'm going to pop in the next batch. Minutes again, and they should be good. Alright, so we're going to try the cookies. You want to try one, Sam?
I am overeating it, yes.
And Logan, you want to try? Let's see. See if he likes it.
Can I try my own cookie? Like this one.
What do you think? What do you think?
So good.
Alright, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.